Ginkgo biloba, one of the oldest living tree species, has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Its leaves and seeds are believed to possess a variety of health benefits. In recent years, Ginkgo biloba has gained popularity in the Western world, particularly for its potential cognitive and circulatory benefits. This article explores the medical benefits of Ginkgo biloba, backed by scientific research. Cognitive enhancement. One of the most well-known uses of Ginkgo biloba is its potential to enhance cognitive function. Studies suggest that Ginkgo may improve memory and cognitive speed, particularly in older adults experiencing cognitive decline. A systematic review published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that Ginkgo biloba could help improve cognitive function in individuals with dementia or mild cognitive impairment. The active compounds in ginkgo, such as flavonoids and terpenoids, are thought to improve blood flow to the brain, which may enhance cognitive performance. Antioxidant properties. Ginkgo biloba is rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress is linked to various chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. The antioxidants in Ginkgo biloba, including flavonoids and polyphenol, can neutralize free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of these diseases. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry indicated that ginkgo extract could enhance antioxidant defenses in the body, suggesting a protective role against oxidative damage. Anxiety and mood improvement. Some research indicates that Ginkgo biloba may assist in alleviating symptoms of anxiety and improving overall mood. A clinical trial published in Psychopharmacology found that ginkgo extract significantly reduced anxiety symptoms in patients with generalized anxiety disorder. The mechanism behind this may involve ginkgo's ability to enhance blood circulation and improve oxygen supply to the brain, which can positively impact mood and reduce stress levels. Eye health. Ginkgo biloba has also been studied for its potential benefits in eye health. The increased blood flow resulting from ginkgo intake may help protect against age-related macular degeneration (AMD), a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. A study published in the American Journal of Ophthalmology found that ginkgo extract may improve visual function in patients with AMD, potentially due to its neuroprotective properties. Circulatory benefits. Ginkgo biloba is often used to improve circulation, particularly in individuals with peripheral artery disease. The herb may enhance blood flow by dilating blood vessels and reducing blood viscosity. A review in the Cochrane Database of Systematic Reviews concluded that Ginkgo biloba could significantly improve symptoms associated with intermittent claudication, a condition characterized by pain and cramping in the legs due to poor circulation. Side effects and considerations. While Ginkgo biloba is generally considered safe for most people, it can cause side effects, including headaches, dizziness, and gastrointestinal issues. Moreover, ginkgo can interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners, increasing the risk of bleeding. Therefore, it's essential for individuals to consult with a healthcare professional before starting Ginkgo biloba, especially if they are on medication or have underlying health conditions. Conclusion. In summary, Ginkgo biloba offers a range of potential medical benefits, particularly related to cognitive enhancement, antioxidant properties, anxiety reduction, eye health, and improved circulation. While more research is needed to fully understand its effects and mechanisms, Ginkgo biloba remains a popular supplement for those seeking to boost their health naturally. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement to ensure it's appropriate for your individual health needs.